Okay, the first 20 elements, their atomic numbers, and then the number of electrons are stated in this table. Remember, I said that the atomic number of an element is the same thing as the number of proton, and it's also the same thing as the number of electron. So once you know the number of proton and the atomic number tells you the number of protons that atom is carrying. The first LO, there are two LOs there in the song. The first LO, we all know that hydrogen is number 1. Every chemistry science student must know that. So the first LO is hydrogen. That's H, the symbol is H. And since it's number 1, the atomic number, being the number of proton, is 1. The number of electron, which is the same thing as the number of proton, is also 1. Then the arrangement in the shell, the innermost shell, the one that follows the nucleus, will carry only 1 electron. Then the next one, LO, is another H, which is helium. That's number 2. The symbol is He, and that means if it's number 2, the atomic number is 2. Number of electron also is 2. And the arrangement, the shell, the first shell, which comes after the nucleus, can contain the maximum of 2 electrons. It will still accommodate these 2. Then that takes us to number 3, Li2, which is lithium. The elements of number 3 is lithium, but we just use this song Li to make us remember. Once you see Li2, Li, you remember lithium. So lithium is Li, and the atomic number, being lithium is number 3, it shows that atomic number is going to be what? Number 3. Now the number of electrons, 3. Then that brings us to another level. Now, like I told you, the first shell that comes after the nucleus can accommodate maximum of 2 electrons, and we have 3 electrons here. So that means the remaining electron, after it takes its own 2, it will remain 1. So the last one will now go to the next shell, which is the shell that comes after the first shell, the second shell. It can accommodate the remaining 1. This second shell can accommodate maximum of 8 electrons. So, but we have only 1, so it will still stay as 1. Then this is Baker, number 4. Number 4, Baker. So Baker is, I even need to list it 1, 2, that's their serial number, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, thank you. So Baker number 4, that is the elements that is number 4 is beryllium. In the sequence, beryllium is number 4, but Baker comes in because of the song that needs to help us how these elements are arranged sequentially. So LO, little Baker, B, beryllium, Be, that's the symbol. And number 4, atomic number 4, number of electrons also is 4. That the electrons arrangement is going to be 2. The innermost shell will take 2. The remaining 2 will go to the next shell. Then this takes us to sequence number 5. Number 5, which is in the song, is Brink, B. That's boron. The element boron is number 5, and that the symbol of boron is B. Then the atomic number, since the serial number in this song is 5, the atomic number is also 5, and the number of electron is 5. Then the arrangement of electron in the shells, after taking the innermost shell has taken 2, the remaining 3 will go to the next shell, which is 2. That's why we have 2 and 3. Then number 6, according to the song, this is Saturn. Carbon is the one that comes after boron, and to make us remember what is the what is the element that comes after boron? Carbon, which is certain, C. So we write carbon. The symbol for carbon is C. The atomic number of carbon is 6, just like what we have in the serial number. Then the number of electrons also same thing, 6. Then our electronic configuration, that's the arrangement, is going to be the first shell we take 2. Remember I told you earlier on that the next shell after the first shell can take maximum of 8, and this is 4. It goes to the next shell, which is, it can still accommodate 4 because the maximum is 8. Next one is serial number 7. That's according to our song, hello little baker, bring certain news. N. That's next element is nitrogen, N, nitrogen, and the symbol is N. Then the atomic number being number 7 is 7. Then the number of electrons also, which is the same thing as atomic number, is 7. Then remember our electronic configuration is 2. The first shell that comes after the nucleus takes 2. Then the remaining 5 electrons will now go to the next shell. Remember, the second shell after the innermost shell can take maximum of 8, and this is 5. You can see accommodate it. Then the next number is 8. Hello little baker, bring certain news of O, oxygen. Then our symbol is O. Then atomic number 8 is still 8. Number of electrons 8. Then electronic configuration is going to be innermost shell will take 2. Then the shell that follows it takes 6. Remember, it can take maximum 8, and we are still having 6, so it's less than 8. You can accommodate it. Then the next word in the song is flavor, which is F, fluorine. The next element that comes after oxygen is fluorine. So fluorine is an halogen, and then the symbol for fluorine is F. Then 9. Number of atomic number is 9. The number of electron is also 9. They are always the same. Then our electronic configuration is going to be innermost shell we take 2. Then the shell that follows we take the remaining 7. Remember, the maximum number of electrons that the second shell can take is 8, and 7 is less than 8, so you can still accommodate it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next class.